Sayfine Vegetable Steamer Basket, Premium Stainless Steel Veggie Steamer Basket, Folding Expandable Steamers to fits various size pot. 6. Upgrade design and quality. The steamer basket with premium food-grade stainless steel petals design, steaming is a healthy cooking choice because it helps retain more than 90% of the nutrients lost when boiling. Size fit any pot. This steamer basket expands to 10 inches once petals are stretched out. Almost fit various pot pan sizes or pressure cooker, opens like a water lily, and it folds compactly to save storage space. Removable center post 2.4 central post helps easy insertion to the pots and safe removal from the boiling water. When your food is ready, remove it from the boiling water with a fork so won't burn your fingers. Easy to clean and extremely compact, you can clean the steamer very easily. When you are ready to put away, then fold into its original half size. Multiple functions. The steamer rack not only can be used as a food steamer basket, you can also use it for filter extra water when washing vegetable and fruit. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.